Alright, so was having trouble with the door handle, wasn't doing anything at all, wasn't opening the door, only could open it from the inside door handle. To get to the mechanism, you have to pull the door skin and this upper trim piece that goes around here. You have 4 screws for the door skin, and then you got these screws for that upper trim piece. And then you take out 3 screws for this latch here. And then in order to work out the latch assembly, you have to loosen the window track screws, make sure the window's up. And then I had to take out the 2 lower screws. There's a plug here that you remove. And then that gives you enough wiggle room. You kind of push the track over like this towards the outside of the door. And then you snaggle the latch assembly this way, because that's the side the cables are on. So you kind of bring it out like that. So this side of the latch assembly goes towards the outside of the door, cables go towards the front. What happened was this little lever, the slot on the end, about that long, snapped off, and then this plastic clip cracked off on one side. It goes into the door handle. So you have to take this plastic cover off. There's this little metal retainer. It slides onto this post. It was really stuck on there, so basically had to use whatever I could to pry it off of there without destroying the cover. There's also a little screw that goes into the cover. So my coworker soldered the end on this rod back on. It's extremely fragile, but in the direction it needs to move, hopefully it'll be strong enough. Removing this brace to give myself some more room. It's extremely difficult to connect these clips because you can't really see what you're doing, can't really get your hand in there very well either. Using this throttle clip to replace that white plastic clip on the end where the rod clips into the handle. Here it is, all connected up. Just have to put it all back together and be gentle with it. Thanks for watching.